Sometimes we buff the nail so nice and so smooth and so sleek. So this will help bond so well with the condensed glue gels. As well as if you decide to do any of a gel polish on, like a really thin of a glitter or whatever. Should we do this? Maybe we should do like butterflies too. What you think? Too many butterflies? I can do flowers. I can do flowers and crystal. All right, so let's get started with the crystal. I am go ahead and using is crystal trifecta, which is the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels. This will keep all of my crystals stay in one place. The design is so beautiful. It's like keep calling me, say, hey Nancy, I'm over here. All right, I'm gonna do this thumb first. And we are going to apply it. You can see that I spread the condensed glue gels nicely. You don't want to be too thick. You also don't want to be too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is going to not holding your crystal properly. And then we are going to floating the no wipe top coat right on the top. So between the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it not only grab the base of the crystal, also it's going to finish completely with like application before you move on the precision glue gels, and that will be a double secure your crystal and keep it in one place. So I'm gonna go ahead. Do you have my picker? Make it clear right there. So I can mix like exact the same as this one. I want this one. So here is this really simple. I'm going to share with you. What we're going to do is the frame first. And place your is the marquise. This is all I'm used from the Ultimate crystal kits. Hold on. Is it Ultimate? No. Yes.
Perfect combination.
Ultimate crystal kit, but this is a perfect combination, which is I love it because you have everything in one kit. Make sure I get it straight. Just moves on the right just a little bit to make sure. There you go. I just want to make sure the tip is straight, so then when you put the crystal designs, it's not look crooked. And then on this side. And then, hey, if you are decide to get some cute like butterfly stickers, you can definitely do that too. But I'm gonna put some beads on this one. I'm gonna put the beads between the beads and between the crystal and frame, or crystal between crystal and crystals. Hey, if you don't want anything, you don't want any beads, you don't want any frame, just use a crystal. Absolutely. Just you love, if you love to get like, it's to create it, your designs is like piece of jewelry, and you can add some beads, some frame on it to make it so much different. It's cool though. I get all of this from the kits. All of this design that I'm the shape. And then the SS filler. You like it? Is that simple enough? I could like put so many more in there, but I don't want to take me away from the beach house collection. You can imagine it if I cover everything? You're like, Nancy, where is the beach house collection? So before I am going to here, I'm gonna using the dot tool right here when I'm working with this, and remove, give a quick swipe right here to remove any of excess is condensed glue gel or top coat this might have, and then flash cure really quick for 30 seconds.